Hi, this is a recording for Accounting 3600 Accounting Information Systems, and it's a quick review of the revenue by stores queries that you need for the income statement. Alright, so first you want to open up Access and open up your database file. Once you have it open, you should have access to all of your tables. You'll go to Create and Query Design. When you get the dialog box that opens up, okay, if you click on Query Design, your little box comes up here asking you to determine what it is you want in there. You will pick two tables. You'll pick the sales table and you'll pick the sales items table. So you'll have sales table and sales items table. Down here where you're building your query, you're going to put in the following fields. You're going to take from the sales table the order number, the customer number, the sale date, the cash receipt number, the store number, and the ship rate per order. You're going to need to select the total and group by for each one of those fields. Now remember, if your total line does not show up, you just click into the design area and then right click your mouse and you see totals right there and it comes up, and then you have a drop down menu and you can select group by. You also want to show all those fields. Alright, under sale date. Under sale date, we only want to include those items that occurred between January 1st of 2018 and March 31st of 2018. And so you will put this statement in the criteria line. So you're establishing criteria. And so don't forget to incorporate these pound signs. So you need to put those pound signs on either side of a date. And you enter the date 1/1/2018 and then 3/31/2018, both of those enclosed in pound signs. Okay? Now, to get the numbers we need, you'll come down here and you'll create a field. You can just type in here sales items amount, and then that's going to be the item amount. Now, where is item amount coming from? It's coming from the sales item table. And so it is the sales items table where that you're basically redefining a field here. And what you're going to do, instead of grouping by it, you're going to sum. So again, you have your choices of what you want to do. You're going to sum. Okay, you want to show that field. Then you're going to create one last field, because what's going to happen is that in some of the fields there is a null value, meaning that there is no value in the field, and you don't want that situation to occur. So what you need to do is use this VAL and NZ function, this combination. And so you're going to type total revenue, that gives it a name, that's your field name, VAL, open parentheses, NZ, open parentheses, then you're going to use a bracket, and you're going to type in ship rate per order, close bracket, comma, 0, close parentheses, and close parentheses, and then plus, bracket, sales items amount, and then close the bracket. And then you check off to make sure that it says show. Okay? Then you'll come up and click run. And what you will receive at that point, if you type that in right, is a list of all of the transactions. And the reason why you had to deal with the ship rate per order is because these are the online orders that occurred. Okay, if they were orders that occurred inside the store, then there is no ship rate per order because those were retail sales. and you can see those down here. Okay, now we're not quite done yet. We need to take this information and summarize it by store, because we want revenue by store. So what we do is we come over to this query here. We'll go to Design View. There we go. We want to bring in the query we just created. I named that query Sales Revenue Detail Q1 for quarter 1. And then we bring in the stores table. Okay? Now down here we only need 2 fields. The first field is going to be stores number from the stores table, and then we want to group by that, and we want to show it. From the sales revenue detail Q1, we want the total revenue. We're going to rename this field revenue. It's going to be made up of total revenue, and we're going to sum that field, and we want to show it. Okay, then what you'll get is the revenue by store. And if you want this total line to show up, you just click totals here, and then you can come down here and click and pick the sum, and you've got your total line. So you can see how much your total revenue is for the entire company. Okay, so that is how you build the revenue queries. Hopefully this will help some of you that may have gotten stuck on this.